I gave you my heart.
So the words we will learn today: afternoon,
evening, morning, weekend, weekday, night.
Wow, good for you. You can read very well. So what things do you do every day?
Sometimes I go to school every morning. Then in evening I read book.
Wow.
And sometimes weekly we play the doll and clean the house.
Oh, good for you. Okay, so can you read this?
We help mostly we help parents.
Good for you.
I take the bus to school every day.
Okay, so can you make a sentence like that? So I go to school every day.
I go to school every day. I help my parents every day.
Good for you.
Good for me.
What is she doing?
She's cooking.
Yeah. And what is he doing?
He's cleaning the clothes.
Yes. So we say he is doing laundry.
Laundry.
Laundry. When we wash the clothes, it's called laundry.
Laundry.
Yeah, good for you. So what is he doing?
He listens to music.
He listens to music.
He listens to music.
Very good. So describe the picture. Can you guess the time? What time are they going to school? Is it morning or afternoon? Morning. Where are they going?
School.
They are going
to school.
to school. Yes, good.
Okay.
How old do you think they are?
6.
Yeah. How old are you?
They are 6 years old, and I am 6 years old too.
Yeah, good. So they're the same age as you. Very good. What color is your backpack?
My backpack is blue.
Blue, okay. What's your favorite color?
Red.
Oh.
And my favorite color is red.
Very good. Nice job. What color are your shoes?
White.
My
shoes color.
My shoes are.
My shoes color are pink.
Okay, so you don't need to say color. You can just say, my shoes are pink.
My shoes are pink.
Very good. That's a nice color for shoes.
Yeah.
Okay, so what's this?
Afternoon.
Can you read this?
Yeah. I still see you in the afternoon.
Well done. I usually
see you in the afternoon.
Very good. And what time of day is this?
Evening.
Can you read this?
We often watch a movie in the evening.
Very good. So what do you do in the evening?
I read books every evening.
Good for you. What do you do in the afternoon?
I play with my sister.
Oh, every afternoon.
Every afternoon.
Yeah, good for you. You're such a good little girl. Very
Thank
good. And you speak English very, very well.
Thank
You're
you.
an excellent reader too. Good job.
Morning. We wake up early in the morning.
Okay, who wakes up early in the morning?
My sister and
morning.
I will wake up early in the morning.
Yes, good job. Very good. Okay, what time of day is this?
What time? Night.
Night. Okay, can you read this?
Yeah. I sleep well at night.
Do you sleep well at night?
Yeah.
I
sleep at night.
Very good. Does your sister sleep well at night?
Yeah.
Yes, she does.
Yes, she does.
What about your mom? Does your mom sleep well at night?
Yeah, my dad also.
Good.
Sleep at night.
Very good.
Also sleep at night.
So my mom and dad sleep well at night.
My mom and dad sleep at night.
Okay. Do they sleep well or just so-so?
Well.
Well, okay. Very good. So what day or what 2 days is that?
Weekend.
Yeah. So what 2 days are the weekend?
Saturday, Sunday.
Yes. Can you read this?
Yeah. I don't go to school on the weekend.
Do you go to school on the weekend?
No, it's a holiday.
Oh, is it a holiday or we don't go to school on the weekend?
We don't go to school on the weekend.
What do you do on the weekend?
I don't go to school.
Very good. Does your sister go to school on the weekend?
No.
No.
She is baby.
Oh, okay. So she never goes to school.
Yeah.
But soon, right? In a few years, she'll go to school. Okay, so what days are these?
Weekday.
Yeah, so what day?
Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
Very good.
I always go to school on the weekend. Oh, weekday.
Weekday. What is your favorite day?
Yeah, weekdays and weekend.
All the same. Wow, I've never heard anyone say that before. Very nice. So what days are weekdays? So can you draw a line to the weekdays?
Monday,
Mm-hmm.
Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday.
Is there one more? Yes.
Now,
okay.
Weekend. Saturday, Sunday.
Yeah, very good. So you don't have a favorite day? Just one favorite day?
Friday.
Friday. Oh, me too. I love Fridays. So do you have a holiday on Friday?
No.
No, it's just the weekend?
No, it's weekday.
Friday is a weekday. And then Saturday?
Is weekend.
Yes, very good. Okay, choose the correct phrase to finish the sentence. So here's our phrases.
Okay. In the morning, in the afternoon.
So can you read this one?
I wake up at 8 a.m. This is wrong. 8 a.m. in morning.
So this one, in the morning. I wake up at 8 a.m. in the morning.
8 a.m. in the morning.
Okay, let's read this one.
I play outside at 3 p.m. in afternoon.
Yes, very good. So what time do you wake up?
I wake up 9 a.m.
9 a.m. Okay, that's a nice time to wake up. What time do you go to sleep?
I go to sleep 11 p.m.
p.m. Good for you. I go to sleep at 9 p.m. 2 hours before you. I need lots of sleep.
Okay.
What time does your sister wake up?
She wakes up at 8 a.m.
Oh, early. Earlier than you.
Yeah.
So let's read this one.
Okay. Choose the correct phrases to finish the sentence.
So again, here's our phrases. So can you read the first sentence?
I watch movies in the evening.
Good.
I go to bed at 9 p.m. at night.
Very good. So what are they doing?
They are watching movies at evening.
In the evening.
In the evening.
And what are they doing?
What are they doing? Eating popcorn.
Do you like popcorn?
They're eating popcorn with her friends.
Yes. While they are watching a movie in the evening.
They love. That's why.
Do you love popcorn?
Yeah.
Me too. Do you like sleeping?
Yeah.
What do you think? Does the dog like sleeping?
Yeah, I think so.
He looks very comfortable.
Yeah.
Can you read this?
Yeah. Michael lives in India. He lives with his dad, mom, and 2 sisters.
Very good. Keep going.
Michael wakes up at 5 a.m. every morning and goes to school. After school, he always has dinner with his family around 8 p.m.
Okay, what time?
8:30 p.m.
Very good. So where does Michael live? He lives
in India.
He lives in India.
He lives in India.
Very good. What time does Michael wake up? He wakes up at
5:00 a.m.
a.m. What does Michael do every night?
Go to sleep.
He
He go to sleep every night.
Yes.
With his family around 8:30 p.m.
Yes, you're right. Very good. Okay, let's see.
Where
So
does Michael live?
does Michael live with?
With his dad, mom, and 2 sisters.
Very good. All right, and the other ones? You said those ones very well. Okay.
Michael always wakes
Wakes.
up at 5:00 p.m. a.m.
Okay. Okay, so you can just say, Michael always wakes up at 5 a.m.
Michael always wakes up at 5 a.m.
Mm-hmm.
They sometimes go to the store on Friday.
Mm-hmm. So Michael always wakes up at 5 a.m. When do you always wake up?
I always wake up at 5 a.m.
5? Or was it 9?
9 a.m.
9 a.m. Okay. Mm-hmm.
And never also 50%. Unsuccessful 0%.
Okay, which one is 0%?
Oh, never.
Never. Mm-hmm. You're right.
And
never. Usually and often, 50%. You're right. So, what is something you always do?
always do.
What do you always do?
I always brush my teeth every morning.
Very good. Good for you.
I never drink soda for breakfast.
That's good, because it's bad for you. You shouldn't drink soda for breakfast.
Yeah.
All right, you did really, really well. Our time is up. It was so nice to meet you. Bye.
Bye.